Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful star-shaped coaster. We'll be using Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, along with a sewing needle, crochet hook, and scissors. Let's start crocheting together. First, we'll work the first round by starting with an adjustable magic ring. For the first stitch, we'll use 3 chain stitches to replace 1 double crochet. Let's look at how to make chain stitches. Insert the hook through the ring. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. We need to make 3 chains, then 1 more. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 3. Now we'll work an incomplete double crochet, yarn over, insert hook through the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. This is an incomplete double crochet. We need to work another one, yarn over, insert hook through the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now there are 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. This completes a bobble stitch made with 3 incomplete double crochets. After completing the bobble stitch, we'll work 5 chain stitches. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Let's demonstrate another one. Yarn over. First, work 1 incomplete double crochet. Then work another one. Then work the third one. Now there are 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops at once, then work 5 chain stitches. We've completed 2 pattern repeats so far. We need to make 5 in total, so there are 3 more left for you to complete this round. After finishing the last set of 5 chains, we need to tighten this ring. First push all the stitches forward, then pull the short yarn tail. Then observe the 2 threads in the middle and see which one can be pulled. Pull that movable yarn tail. Then tighten the other thread as well. This way, there won't be any hole in the center. After tightening the ring, join with a slip stitch to the first bobble stitch. Look up, and the corresponding stitch is the bobble stitch. Insert the hook through here, pull the yarn through, then pull through the loop on your hook. This is a slip stitch. Always pull tight after completing a slip stitch, then chain 1 to fasten off the yarn. Now we'll work the second round. First, find any chain stitch, insert the hook through it, and pull the yarn through. Work 1 chain stitch as the beginning chain, which doesn't count toward the stitch count. Then work a single crochet by inserting the hook under this chain stitch, and pulling the yarn through. Now there are 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete the single crochet. After completing the single crochet, work 1 chain stitch. Then work a single crochet into the next chain stitch. 7 chain stitches. The pattern for the second round is, work 1 single crochet and 7 chain stitches into each chain stitch, then continue with single crochet and 7 chains in the next position. Follow this pattern to complete the round. After finishing the 7 chain stitches of the second round, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. After completing the slip stitch, don't cut the yarn. Continue by working 3 chain stitches to replace 1 double crochet, then work 1 double crochet in the same position. The technique for double crochet: yarn over, insert through the stitch, pull through. Now there are 3 loops on your hook. Pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, then pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. After completing the double crochet, continue with 2 chain stitches, then work 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Still in this single crochet position, work 2 double crochets. Then work 2 chain stitches, move to the chain stitch, and work 1 single crochet. Work 2 more chain stitches, and this completes one pattern. Repeat. From here, repeat the same steps. First work 2 double crochets. In the same stitch position with 2 chain stitches, continue working 2 double crochets. 2 chain stitches, then work 1 single crochet on the chain stitch, followed by 2 chain stitches. The pattern for the third round is: work 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches on the single crochet from the previous round, then 1 single crochet on the chain stitch, followed by 2 chain stitches. 2 pattern repeats have been completed here, 3 more remain. Complete the rest of the round following the same steps. After finishing the last 2 chain stitches of the third round, join with a slip stitch to the third stitch of the 3 chain stitches. If you want to cut the yarn for the next round, make 1 chain stitch here and then cut the yarn. If you're crocheting in solid color, do it here. After completing this stitch, slip stitch forward 1 stitch, then slip stitch again into the chain space to begin crocheting the next round. Now we'll start the fourth round. First, find any hole between 2 double crochets, insert the hook through it, and pull the yarn through. First, work 3 chain stitches to replace 1 double crochet, then continue with 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. 2 chain stitches in the same stitch, then work 3 double crochets. Work 5 chain stitches. Join with a slip stitch on the single crochet. After joining, work 5 chain stitches. The pattern for this round is: work 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, 3 double crochets on the 2 chain stitches from the previous round, then 5 chain stitches, join with a slip stitch on the single crochet from the previous round, followed by 5 chain stitches. Follow this pattern to complete the round. After finishing the last slip stitch on the single crochet, if you want to cut the yarn for the next round, simply work 5 chain stitches and join with a slip stitch to the third stitch of the initial 3 chain stitches before cutting the yarn. If the next round is solid color, finish crocheting here. After the slip stitch on the single crochet, first work 3 chain stitches, then 1 double crochet, and join with the third stitch of the previous 3 chain stitches. Work 1 double crochet, then 1 chain stitch. Just work 1 single crochet in this position, and you're ready to move on to the next round. Now let's work the fifth round. First, locate the chain stitch to the left of this slip stitch. Find the 4th chain stitch in this chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. Pull up a loop, work 1 chain stitch as the beginning chain, not counted as a stitch, then work 1 single crochet in this chain stitch. 2 chain stitches, then work 4 double crochets into this hole. Three chain stitches. Continue working 4 double crochets in this same position. Two chain stitches, then count upwards from the bottom. On the 4th stitch, work 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches. Then, just like on this side, work 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch here. Work 1 single crochet, 2 chain stitches. This corner is the same as that corner. Work 4 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets in this corner. Then follow this pattern to complete the round. After working the last single crochet on the right side of this round, if the next round is worked in solid color, just chain 1. Then yarn over and work 1/2 double crochet in this single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then chain 1 and work 1 single crochet right here to start the next round. If you're cutting the yarn, after finishing this single crochet, chain 3 and join with a slip stitch to the previous single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now let's work the 6th round. In the 6th round, we work into the 3 chain space between 2 single crochets. You can pass the hook through the middle chain stitch of these 3 chains and pull up a loop, or simply through this space. Pass the hook through and pull up a loop. First, work 1 single crochet right here. Then yarn over and work 1 double crochet, followed by a picot in each of these 4 double crochets. Let's look at the technique. Yarn over, work 1 double crochet in this double crochet. Work 3 chain stitches, then insert the hook into half of this double crochet, plus half of the next. These 2 strands. Work a slip stitch to form a 3 chain picot. Then continue working the same double crochet picot in each of the remaining 3 double crochets. That's 4 groups, then work 2 groups in the middle 3 chain space. Continue working the same picot in each of the other 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet picot per stitch. After completing the last picot on the final double crochet, we'll have 10 double crochet picot groups total. Then, once completed, work 1 single crochet directly into the next 3 chain space. That completes 1 pattern repeat. Then we continue following this pattern. This single crochet is right here at this position. Continue working here. 10 double crochet picots following this pattern will complete the entire round. After finishing the last double crochet picot, join with a slip stitch to the previous single crochet. After joining, chain 1, and fasten off the yarn. The whole coaster is now completed. It might be slightly uneven, so you can press it flat under a heavy book overnight, or iron it with an iron to smooth it out. Weave in the yarn tails at the back with a needle, and it should look like this once the tails are hidden. After ironing, it looks like this, nice and flat. That's it for this coaster tutorial. We'll see you in the next episode.